Today, you're going to learn how to add class in QuickBooks Online. Quick and easy guide. This entire process takes only a few minutes. And once you start using classes, you'll notice how much easier it becomes to organize and understand different parts of your business. Whether you track locations, income streams, departments, or projects, adding classes gives you clearer insights and more accurate reporting. Begin by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Even if you've done this many times before, it helps to follow the process step by step to avoid delays. Open your browser, head to the QuickBooks Online website, and click the Sign In button. You'll be asked which service you want to access, so make sure you select QuickBooks Online. This ensures you're landing in the right place. Enter your login details carefully, then continue into your account. Once you're inside QuickBooks, look toward the top of your dashboard for the settings icon, which appears as a gear symbol. Click it to open a drop-down menu, then select All Lists. This section gives you access to the various tools that help customize your accounting experience. Scroll through the list until you see the option labeled Classes, and click on it to open the Class Management page. This is where you can organize your financial information in a much more meaningful way. On the Classes page, look for the New button, usually located in the upper right corner. Clicking it will bring up a form where you can create your new class. Add a clear, descriptive name that reflects the type of transactions you'll track under it. A well-chosen name will make future reports easier to read and understand. Once you've entered the name, click Save. Your new class is now ready to use, and you can start assigning it to transactions immediately. This small step can greatly enhance the accuracy and structure of your bookkeeping. Comment below with any QuickBooks topics or challenges you want help with, and I'll create tutorials to guide you step by step. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss my next QuickBooks video.